Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Honda Accord 2023 Plus has a diagnostic trouble code, DTC P011B, which indicates an issue with the intake air temperature IAT sensor 1 circuit range performance. This code is stored by the powertrain control module, PCM, when it detects that the temperature reported by the IAT sensor is incorrect compared to the engine coolant temperature, ECT sensors. Understanding this error is critical for maintaining vehicle performance and avoiding potential damage. The IAT sensor plays a key role in measuring the temperature of the intake air entering the engine. This information is vital for the PCM to calculate the appropriate air-fuel mixture for efficient combustion. The location of the IAT sensor typically involves it being positioned near the mass airflow MAF sensor. Proper functioning of both sensors is essential for optimal engine performance and emissions control. The DTC P011B revolves around the intake air temperature, IAT, sensor 1, which plays an essential role in the vehicle's engine management system. Its primary function is to monitor the temperature of the air entering the engine and relay this information to the powertrain control module, PCM. The PCM uses the IAT data in conjunction with signals from the engine coolant temperature, ECT sensor, to determine the best air-fuel mixture for combustion. If the IAT sensor's temperature reading is inconsistent with those from the ECT sensors, the PCM deems this abnormal and generates the DTC. Notably, the IAT sensor is typically positioned near the mass airflow MAF sensor, which itself measures the amount of air entering the engine. A malfunctioning IAT can disrupt the engine's performance and fuel economy. The causes of DTC P011B can typically be traced to a few key areas. Firstly, a faulty IAT sensor itself is a primary suspect. Over time, sensors can degrade or fail due to exposure to heat and elements. Secondly, connector issues can arise. Loose terminals or corroded connectors can prevent reliable electrical contact and accurate readings from the IAT sensor. Additionally, electrical shorts or opens in the wiring associated with the IAT sensor might also contribute to inconsistent data being transmitted to the PCM. In essence, addressing these potential issues requires careful inspection of the IAT sensor circuit and related components to ensure proper functionality. This thorough diagnostic approach aids in pinpointing the root cause. The symptoms associated with DTC P011B can be quite noticeable for a vehicle owner. One of the most immediate indicators is the illumination of the check engine light on the dashboard, which serves as an alert from the PCM that an anomaly has been detected. This is often accompanied by poor fuel economy, as an incorrect air-fuel mixture can lead to inefficient combustion and increased fuel consumption. Moreover, drivers may experience noticeable engine performance issues, including rough idling, stalling, or a lack of acceleration. These symptoms collectively indicate that the PCM is struggling to achieve optimal engine operation, likely due to erroneous inputs from the IAT sensor. Monitoring these issues can provide vital clues for diagnosis and repair. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P011B involves turning the vehicle to the on mode without starting the engine. This action allows for the initial diagnostics to begin without engaging the vehicle's running systems. During this step, you would assess the IAT sensor circuit, ensuring that the electrical connections are intact and undamaged. This includes visual inspections of the wiring and connectors associated with the IAT sensor. Properly functioning connections are critical, as they enable accurate communication between the sensor and the powertrain control module, PCM. Any visible damage or corrosion must be addressed at this stage. as such issues could lead to erroneous readings, which trigger the DTC. By confirming these initial conditions, you set a solid foundation for further diagnostic steps. In this step, we focus on conducting a visual inspection of the connectors related to the IAT sensor circuit. Inspecting these connectors closely is vital, as even a small amount of corrosion or dirt can interfere with electrical flow. Ensure that each connector is securely fastened and free from damage. Pay particular attention to the terminals. If they appear bent or loose, they may not provide a reliable electrical connection. This meticulous examination is important because intermittent connections can lead to fluctuating sensor readings that may trigger fault codes. Properly seating the connectors and verifying their integrity will help ensure that accurate data is transmitted to the PCM, thus aiding in the resolution of the DTC. Careful diagnostics at this stage can prevent more extensive repairs later. The third troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting the IAT sensor for proper temperature readings. Start by preparing the MAF sensor/IAT sensor 1 by removing it and allowing it to cool to ambient temperature. This ensures a valid comparison between the sensor reading and the environmental temperature. Once this is done, connect the MAF sensor/IAT sensor 1 connector, but refrain from reinstalling the actual sensor. Activate the vehicle to the on mode and note the value displayed on Honda Diagnostic System HDS for the IAT sensor. The expectation is that the IAT sensor reading will closely match the ambient temperature, with a permissible difference of less than 5.4 degrees Fahrenheit, 3 degrees Celsius. If there is a significant discrepancy, it highlights an issue with the MAF sensor/IAT sensor, necessitating further investigation or replacement. The fourth step in diagnosing the DTC P011B involves performing a high-temperature inspection of the IAT sensor. Begin by ensuring that the MAF sensor/IAT sensor 1 is uninstalled and connect its wiring harness to the PCM. With the vehicle in the on position, use a heat gun to briefly apply heat to the sensor. It is crucial to limit heat application to just a few seconds to avoid damaging the component. After this heating process, review the HDS reading for the IAT sensor. For proper operation, the IAT sensor value should reflect a change of more than 76 degrees Fahrenheit or 42 degrees Celsius from its initial reading. If the HDS does not register this expected increase, it may confirm that the MAF sensor/IAT sensor 1 is faulty and requires replacement. This test is essential in confirming the operability of the IAT sensor in response to temperature changes. Once repairs have been completed to address DTC P011B, it is critical to perform final verification to ensure everything is functioning as intended. Start by clearing any diagnostic trouble codes from the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. This step resets the vehicle's system and clears out any previous faults. Following this, conduct a test drive to observe if the previous symptoms reoccur. It is important to monitor the vehicle for any check engine light activation or performance issues during this drive. If the vehicle operates normally without triggering new or old DTCs, it indicates a successful repair. However, if symptoms reappear, further diagnosis may be necessary to pinpoint any underlying issues that weren't correctly addressed during the initial repair process. To prevent the recurrence of issues related to DTC P011B, implementing a preventive maintenance routine can be beneficial. Regularly checking the intake air temperature, IAT sensor, and associated wiring and connectors can help catch problems before they lead to significant faults. Ensure that the sensor and its components are kept clean and free from debris, as contaminants can impact their performance. Another crucial aspect of preventive maintenance is avoiding potential damage to the sensor from heat and external elements. If you observe signs of wear or corrosion, addressing these problems promptly may prevent failures in the future. By maintaining key sensor components and being vigilant about early signs of malfunction, you can greatly enhance the reliability of your vehicle's engine management systems. In summary, DTC P011B highlights the importance of the intake air temperature sensor 1 in maintaining optimal engine performance. Understanding how this sensor interacts with the powertrain control module, PCM, helps diagnose issues effectively. Recognizing symptoms such as a check engine light and poor fuel economy can prompt timely responses to prevent greater engine problems. By following structured troubleshooting steps, including inspecting connectors and testing sensor functionality, mechanics can adequately resolve the underlying issues associated with this fault code. Furthermore, adopting preventive maintenance practices can enhance the longevity of the sensor and vehicle performance overall. Ultimately, proactive measures combined with strong diagnostic knowledge can significantly contribute to reduced faults and enhanced vehicle reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!